Hello everyone, welcome to solve this math algebra problem, and here we have x plus 5 cubed minus x minus 3 cubed over x plus 5 cubed plus x minus 3 cubed equals to 13 over 14, and we will solve this problem for the values of x. So in this problem we use the theorem of componendo and dividendo rule. So first we little bit explain this theorem or rule. So here we write it as componendo and dividendo rule. Okay, so first we write the definition of this theorem. So this theorem tells us that if we have a ratio between two numbers, which is a and b, it is equals to the ratio of c and d, so that this theorem has two parts, and we write it as, so you know that if we open this ratio, then we obtain a over b equals to c over d. So now in the first part of this theorem, we just add or subtract the denominator on upper term, and we write it as a plus b, and it is divided by a minus b, and we do this same step on the right hand side, and we write it as c plus d, and it is divided by c minus d. So this is the first rule, and similarly we first we add our denominator in the numerator, and we subtract our this denominator here. So we write this theorem in another way, and it is we write it as a minus b over a plus b, and it is equals to c minus d over c plus d. So this theorem has these two parts. So now we use this theorem, and we solve this problem for the values of x. So now we use here this theorem, and we add or subtract the denominator on the numerator side. So now we move towards our solution of this question, and using this theorem we get the output of the given question statement in this form. It is x plus 5 cubed and minus x minus 3 cubed, and it is divided by x plus 5 cubed and plus x minus 3 cubed. So here we add and subtract the denominator on upsides and downside, and we subtract it downside. So first we add our denominator in upside, so it is x plus 5 cubed and plus x minus 3 cubed, and in the numerator we add this term, and similarly in the denominator we write this term as it is, and we just write the positive sign, negative sign other than the positive sign. So we obtain here, so this sign will be also negative, and we write this expression as x plus 5 cubed minus x minus 3 cubed, and it is equals to we apply this same definition on the right hand side, and in the question we have the right hand side is 13 over 14. So we apply this same definition on the right hand side, and we obtain here 13 plus 14 over 13 minus 14. So in the left hand side we need to make little bit simplifications here, and you see that we have, this is the negative term and this is the positive term are cancelled by each other, and similarly in the denominator this negative term and positive term are cancelled by each other. So here we obtain in this form. So it is written as we add these two terms, and we obtain 2 times of x plus 5 cubed, and it is divided by, here we add these two terms and we write it as minus 2 times of x minus 3 whole cubed, and it is equals to, here we have 13 plus 14, and you know that 13 plus 14 equals to 27, over we have 13 minus 14 and it is equals to minus 1. So in the next step we write it as, here you see that this 2 is cancelled by this one, and similarly this negative sign on both of the sides are also cancelled by here. So this negative sign is cancelled by this one, and we obtain x plus 5. We here we combine the cube on these two terms, and we write it as x plus 5 over x minus 3 whole cubed equals to 27. And now we write 27 in the form of a cube, and you know that 27 be the cube of 3, so that we write it as x plus 5 over x minus 3 and its whole cubed equals to, we write 27 as 3 cubed. And in the next step we take the cube root on both of the sides of this expression. So when we take the cube root on both of the sides, then it will becomes in this form x plus 5 cube over x minus 3 whole cube and its cube root. Here we take the cube root, and similarly in the right hand side we again take the cube root in this way. So after that we simplify the terms, and you know that this cube and cube root are gone, and this cube and cube root are cancelled by each other, and we get the output of this expression will be in this form: x plus 5 over x minus 3 equals to 3. So you remember one thing is that our target is to find the value of x, the value of x, so that here we move this x minus 3 to the right hand side, and we get x plus 5 equals to 3 times of x minus 3. And you see that we multiply this 3 on both of the terms, and you get x plus 5 equals to 3x minus 9. And now we isolate the terms involving x in one side and all the other terms to the other side, and we get, here we move x in the right hand side and 9 in the left hand side. We get 5 plus 9 equals to 3x minus x, and 5 plus 9 is 14 equals to 3x minus x is 2x, and this implies that x equals to 14 over 2, and 2 sevens are 14, and finally we get the value of x equals to 7. So this is our final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.